and welcome back. I'm in the Baratz Lake district, a special place here in Sardinia because this is the only natural lake of Sardinia. But today I'm here for a small session of landscape photography. Because after 3 weeks of lockdown, finally I'm free. I'm free to be free. And I want to take advantage of this moment to stay in nature and to relax myself. So I'll try to take some picture here. There are some birds in the lake and nothing. Now I'll stay here sometime for a moment. I'll stay here for a moment and I'll try to enjoy the moment. This lake is the house of many coats. A black bird that live here during the year. Yes, throughout the years, it's easy to find a small but also a big group of coats, and with many other birds. As I said before, it's a special place because it's the only natural lake in Sardinia. The others are artificial, only for water source, so for irrigation, for people. But this one is only the natural lake in the island. There is a dragonfly on a wet grass, and I want to try to take some picture of them with a moment. I'm really happy. I don't know the result, but I hope it will be good. Oh, finally, I couldn't wait to stay at home for many days. Oh, I'm hearing the voice of the bee eaters. Yes, every year during the spring arrives the bee eaters from I think Madagascar. I'm not sure. It's a wonderful small bird, really colored, with many colors, with a particular voice. I hope to show you really soon, if I can go where they make the nest. No, but the water is really flat, because here there is no wind, and this district is protected by the wind because there are many hills around the lake, so it's
it's quite always protected from by the wind, and so it makes the surface of the lake almost always flat, like today. Unfortunately, the sun is quite strong, so I'll use an ND filter for making a long exposition. But what's a wonderful day! I don't want to speak too much aloud to not scare the birds. And in the near foreground there is this piece of trunk, this trunk, and I'd like to have it in focus, so I think I need to take at least 3 pictures and to blend together after in post-production. I couldn't stand close at home or in office, working every day, knowing that I couldn't go outside or I couldn't go outdoors to stay in nature. Because 3 weeks of lockdown are really long. Although this time we've been quite lucky because last year we stayed in lockdown 2 months, 2 or 3 months, I don't remember, and it's been really hard. This time the lockdown has been shorter, even though it's been tiring. It's been tiring as well, and everybody couldn't wait to go out. But today I wanted also to make a review of my backpack. It's my new backpack. Here we go. Hello guys, welcome back. And also today a new review for you. Yes, actually it isn't really a new photography gear. I know, because it's in the market for some years, but it's new for me, so let's crack on. As a nature photographer, I always looked for a good backpack, even when I was a hiker. I was always looking for a specific thing. So now, after having tried several different backpacks, due to its size, but it's quite compact, to fit in cabin planes without giving up to take all my stuff when I'm traveling. What's the bag? Here you go, guys. This is my new bag. It looks like big, but it's not so big. Okay, the bag is the Lowepro Protactic 450 AW2, a really long name for a bag. Maybe it could be a bit shorter, but it doesn't matter. When I saw the second series of these Protactic bags, I said to myself, yes, it looked like good for me, and I bought it. Actually, I bought the previous model, the 350, but it was too small for my needs. But it was too small for my needs, so I sold it really soon. Basically, it was still new, so I didn't have any problem for selling. Anyway, but let's come to the main feature of this backpack. First of all, it looks good. Yes, I'd say that I love it, but I think it's too much for loving a bag. Okay, but its shape and the material are really good, in my opinion. The shell is quite rigid and sturdy. Mostly the top part of the backpack, as you can see, and here. So it will protect your camera or whatever you want inside very well. The front panel, the front side. The front side of the backpack has a lot of strings, as you can see, where to put a lot of accessories like mine. In the front panel of the backpack there are a lot of strings, as you can see. We're attaching a lot of accessories like mine, like small bags, pouches, strings, or belt like this one, or a tripod support like this one. Okay, putting these accessories in the front of the bag is really easy, because they are specific for this series. So you can remove, I can insert the bag using this system. You put in any of these strings your bag, and after you're closed using the Velcro. It's really simple, nice and fast. So in any situation you can remove this small bag for having the backpack more lightweight. Okay, with the backpack there are these small pouch, I don't know, pouch, this small pouch, a little bag for water, for a bottle of water, but it's not here now, and this support for the tripod legs, and there are two of these this belt for the tripod. They are so useful that I bought another couple to put in the other side of the backpack. The price is quite cheap for this belt, so I can say you to buy another pair for having more opportunities, more possibility to carry on extra stuff, maybe a jacket or yes, maybe a jacket or a sweatshirt as you need. Okay. Starting from the top, there is the top axis. There is this one. This is, I think, the main axis when you can put your camera here, and in this part there are many other small pocket where put some extra accessories. In this little pocket there is quite room for memory card, but here there is another pocket with a zip where put maybe tissue, cable, batteries, what you want. Okay, and this side is very easy and fast to open. Maybe also keeping the backpack on one shoulder. On the lateral side of the backpack, there are two parts where you can access the backpack. This one and this one. Okay, even though this part of the backpack I'm not using, because inside I put the divider in order to fit my needs. As you, I'll show you after. Okay. Always in the side, on this side, there is another pocket where put small accessories, maybe document or small filters, but I don't think. And also in this part. Okay. Here is also this stuff, I don't know the English name, for putting maybe the keys, some car keys, I don't know. I think it could be useful for someone. Okay, inside and in the back there is the main door. I don't know if it's the door. Anyway, there is this part of the backpack. When there is this string for putting with a trolley, this side has this kind of net for removing the sweater quite quickly, and to have your bag really attached to the backpack. Okay, very well. Now I want to show you. Okay. Before I want to show you the belt, the waist belt. Where on each side there are a small pocket for putting something. One is a little bit bigger, and in fact I put tissue or a knife and stuff like that. So a little bit more, a little bit bigger. Inside, okay, inside the room is very well organized. I put the divider in this way because for traveling I usually take two cameras. My landscape camera that I put here with a lens, yes, a wide angle lens. Instead here in this big part I put the wildlife camera. For me, the wildlife camera is the Sony 9 with the Sony 100-400 GM lens. Instead, with the landscape camera, the Sony Alpha 7 Mark II with the Zeiss Batis 18mm as a wide angle lens. Then there is a room for the teleconverter that I put here. Here there is a room for another lens or the pouch with the batteries, the extra batteries. Here there is a room for cable or remote control and other stuff. Here there is instead this space for a filter, and in this part there is the space for the remote control of the drone, the space for the room for the drone, and the extra battery of the drone. And as you can see, it's quite big. And after I show you with some stuff inside. In this part there is two pockets. I use this one for the filters, for some for my soft filter. Inside in this small one I put cables or some stuff for cleaning the lens. Okay. In this big pocket that is for a laptop, a 15-inch laptop, I put document for traveling. Maybe it's a reservation, hotel reservation, or rental car and stuff like that. The backpack is quite compact, and as I said before, it's perfect for putting for using on a plane because the size is right. And a thing is the rain cover. It is in the bottom of the backpack here, and when it rains, it's very useful. But there is a problem with this rain cover. It's quite small because if you okay, and here is an handle like this for putting the bag in this way. Maybe when you have to put above the plane seats, so it's really useful. It's really comfortable to take. Okay, I was saying that the rain cover is quite small. I'm saying that because if you are using an extra, sorry, if you're using an extra bag like this one, the rain cover can't cover all the surface, because this bag, this extra bag, it's quite thick, so it doesn't permit to the rain cover to work properly. Even if you are using another pouch like this one in this place, so I have to buy an external rain cover like this one for covering the whole backpack. It's the same color, so it's good. Okay, and now I will show you my typical configuration with something inside. Okay. I didn't put the main camera here because I'm using it for recording this video, but here there is the 55mm lens, teleconverter, small pouch with battery, extra batteries for cameras, the Sony A9 with its lens, okay, the 400 GM lens, remote control of the drone, extra batteries, other accessories, filter, and nothing. And even with all this stuff, the weight of the bag, of the backpack, it's pretty good. Because respect to my old backpack, another Lowepro, this bag has the shoulder strap really comfortable, because you can adjust the length very well, and they are quite soft. Instead, the whole backpack, the shoulder strap were quite slim, and they hurt my shoulder, so I couldn't use that backpack for a long time. Instead, this one is really comfortable, and I use it for many hours without any problem for my shoulders. So for me, it's very good. Okay, always with the shoulder straps, there is this chest belt that prevents to move the shoulder strap. Maybe if you are running or if you are walking a lot during the time, they could move a little bit, but with this chest belt, they will stay in the right position. Okay, guys, I think it's all for this review, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Let me know what do you think about this Lowepro. Maybe you have got it. So I'm always interested about the opinions of the other users. So write me in the comment section what do you think in the comment section below. So write me in the comment section below what do you think, if you are agree with this comfortable backpack, and leave me any comment. As you know, I like reading your comment. Don't be afraid to read something. I read every your comment. If you like this video, please give me a like, and please subscribe to the channel. It will be a great help for my channel, for improving my channel. And don't forget to allow the notification. And thanks for watching. See you really soon. Bye bye.